Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SolidWorks power move, we're going to show you a great way to save time by bringing back the quick selection toolbar for things like quick mates or quick relationships in sketch mode. So here's what I'm referring to. I've got these 4 pegs here. My goal is to make all 4 of these equal. So I edit this sketch. I pick the first one, hold Control, pick the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, and then I let go of Control and this box shows up, and I go to click in the box and whoops, I moved away from the box. Now, if this has ever happened to you, let me know down below in the comments. So now what do? We hit escape and then we try it again. Pick the first one, hold Control, 2, 3, 4, and then when you let go of Control, this box shows up, and then you can move up and you can choose the make equal relationship, make all 4 of them equal. Well, the thing is, if you move away from that box and you just kind of put your mouse where the box was, and then you tap Control on your keyboard, look at that, the box comes back. Pretty cool, right? You'll notice if I'm over here in this area and I tap Control, nothing happens. But if I put my mouse over here, kind of where the box originally was, just kind of close, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of close, and then you tap Control, you can get that box to come back, and then you can choose equal, and that saved you all that time of hitting escape and having to go through and do it again. So this is a really helpful tool. It also really helps in assembly mode. So for example, here, if I'm in this assembly of the skateboard and I want to make this face here concentric to this face here, pick one, hold Control, pick the other, let go of Control, this box shows up. Well, concentric's not that big a deal. If you move away from it, click in the background, you just do it again, right? Not that big a deal. But what if we had to do something like coincident, where we're going to start out by picking this face, then we're going to roll the view around, then we're going to hold Control, and then we're going to pick this face here, hold Control, pick this face here, let go of Control. You know, if you lose this one, you're going to have to do a lot of extra steps to get back through it. So here I am in assembly mode. I lost that, or maybe I want to change my view a little bit. Well, then you can just kind of put your mouse near where it was, tap Control near where it was, tap Control. You'll notice you have to kind of go to where your mouse was on the screen, tap Control, and then you see this comes back. And so now you can choose coincident, and boom, you didn't lose your selections, and you're able to move that into place coincident. Now, continuing to use the skateboard example here, one place that this has really saved me is the width mate. So you'll notice here that I can select one face, then I can hold Control, select another face, let go of Control, rotate the view around, hold Control again, select another face, and then continue holding Control and select a 4th face. And then when I let go of Control, this box shows up and I can choose width. So now it's very high stakes. If I move away from it and lose that box, I'm going to have to do a lot of rework. But again, here I can just tap Control, bring that box back, and then say width, and then I can center the one part on the other part. So I hope you guys enjoyed that power move. This is one that has really saved me a lot of time in SolidWorks. And if you agree, and if this is going to save you some time, let me know down below. Let me know if you learned something new from this video. Let me know if you have any other places that you found that you can tap Control and it brings up this box, and it's really helpful to kind of recover that box without having to start over. And of course, if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great courses to help you go from 0 to hero in the world of SolidWorks. And I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.